Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sure. HTTPS, Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, is an extension of HTTP that uses SSL/TLS to provide a secure communication channel over a computer network. In Java, you can work with HTTPS URLs using the java.net.url class along with HTTPS URL connection. ### tutorial on Java HTTPS. #####1. Setting up the environment. Make sure you have the following: Java Development Kit, JDK, installed, preferably JDK 8 or higher. An integrated development environment, IDE, like IntelliJ IDEA, Eclipse, or you can use a simple text editor and compile using the command line. ####2. Basic HTTPS request. Here's a simple example of how to send an HTTPS GET request and read the response. ### explanation of the code. Import statements. We import necessary classes for networking and handling input/output. URL object. We create a URL object that represents the HTTPS endpoint. HTTPS URL connection. We cast the URL connection to HTTP URL connection to use HTTP methods. Request method. We set the request method to GET. You can also set it to POST, PUT, etc., depending on your needs. Request headers. Optionally, we can set request headers using setRequest property. Response code. We get the HTTP response code using getResponseCode. A successful response usually returns 200. Reading the response. We read the response using a buffered reader and print it. ####3. Sending HTTPS post requests. If you want to send a post request, you can modify the code as follows. ### important notes. 1. SSL certificates. If you are dealing with HTTPS, ensure that the server's SSL certificate is valid. Java handles SSL certificates using a key store. 2. Exception handling. Always handle exceptions properly, especially for network operations. 3. Dependencies. If you are using libraries like HTTP client from Apache or other third-party libraries, the usage may differ. ### conclusion. In this tutorial, you learned how to send HTTPS GET and POST requests in Java. This basic understanding can be expanded to handle more complex scenarios, such as authentication, handling redirects, and parsing JSON responses using libraries like Jackson or JSON.